Hi, my name is James Zemer. I'm the Historic Preservation Project Manager at the University of Virginia. The upcoming renovation of the Rotunda is actually a project that's been almost 10 years in the making. In 2005, the university hired John G. Waite & Associates to compile and research in order to produce the historic structure report for this important edifice. Through that research, they also discovered many conditions of the rotunda that were faulty and in great need of repair. Primarily, the roof was leaking. So, a couple of years ago, the university undertook the roof replacement, which also involved fixing all the windows, fixing the copper window surrounds, as well as repointing a lot of the deteriorated mortar in the brickwork. The phase 2, as the roof was phase 1, will be much more comprehensive. It will effectively shut the rotunda down for 2 years, and it will include a major overhaul of the entire building. Primarily we'll be upgrading, replacing all of the systems, plumbing, electrical, heating and air. Also, one of the real important things of the rotunda restoration is that we're going to improve student life and student use of the building. One key part of this is in the dome room. We're going to be opening up the middle gallery, outfitting it with some nice furniture, some small tables where students can go up and study together and have a nice quiet space up there to function, since this was the original library for the university. One really exciting discovery we made last spring was the original chemical furnace here in the lower east oval room. And what we found is that there are 4 workstations inside which are connected to fresh air intakes as well as chimney flues. And this was the original chemical furnace where they did chemistry experiments led by Professor John Emmett, who lived in Pavilion 1, was the first professor of chemistry here at the university. This survived the Great Fire of 1895 because it was bricked in, we believe, in either the 1840s or 1850s. In preparation for the subterranean mechanical room that's going to be located here in the East Courtyard, we moved forward with doing an archaeological investigation because we have old maps that show an historic cistern located here in the East Courtyard. We've got Steve Thompson with Rivanna Archaeology here with us today, and he's going to explain a little bit about what we found and what you're seeing.
So we're standing underneath the footprint of the Darden fountain, which was removed a couple of weeks ago. There's a large circular brick wall about 12 feet in diameter that runs just through here, just past Nick, and around the back. The smaller circle that you can see on that end is a 20th century, the base of a 20th century manhole that was inserted here after the cistern had been filled. The main cistern, probably its main purpose was for fire suppression, a constant store of water that was collected off the roof of the rotunda and could be accessed via a pump whenever needed. We're just really in the last stages of getting all of the 20th century disturbances off the top of it, and our next big push will be to excavate down the shaft of the cistern. And right now it looks like very deliberate red clay soil filling it, though there's probably some sort of use deposit on the bottom, material that accumulated during the life of the cistern.